Hey, we're here to talk to you today about round one of the 2019 RCS eMadness Challenge.
Last year you had 16 different challenges to choose from. You had to choose 8. This year we trimmed it down because we don't have as much time like we talked about in the intro, but you're going to have to complete 4 challenges in the first round. We're going to talk a little bit about those challenges. Tim?
Hey, in the first bracket, we have Twitter. Tag 5 people and invite them to the Tech Expo. So if you're a Twitter user, it'll show you how to tag people, give you the URL that you need to get people to the Summer Tech Expo, versus tweet something positive about your classroom with a picture. So we're trying to make the positive so loud that it drowns out the negative.
So loud. So loud. All right, the second matchup, we have participate in an RCS Learn Twitter chat. This should be first timers only, so if you haven't done that, you can participate in the eLearn or the RCS Learn Twitter chat. Or if you've already done that, still join us, but we want you to do an additional educational focused Twitter chat, and we'll have a few examples in the assignment or the task itself.
The other half of that bracket is to create a quizzes using quizzes.next, the new quizzing tool from Canvas.
Still not 100% everything worked out of it yet. We're finding some things that are different, but I think it's still worth trying because some really cool assessment question types you can do in Quizzes Next. The next bracket we have create a video using MSQRD, which stands for Masquerade. I didn't know that. Oh, that's pretty cool. Chatterpix, Instagram, or Snapchat. We added Instagram and Snapchat in there because as we're, if we're doing e-learning days or if you're putting videos to do as announcements or kick off your class, using the filters in Instagram and Snapchat, it really adds a layer of personality, and it's just fun, and it's a good way to communicate with your kids.
I hadn't learned about the Instagram filters until just a couple days ago, so that was fun to find out. I think you and your kids will find it enjoyable too. The other half of that bracket is to create a new activity with Edpuzzle, Nearpod, CK12, or Quizlet and embed it in Canvas. And so there are plentiful instructions for each of those if it's something new for you to try out.
We have a couple new challenges for the first round. So the last pairing, we have use auto open inline preview. Well, what is that? If you insert a file into a Canvas course and you click on the link, what happens is it downloads that file. So now you have to download files on students' computers, on their phones, and nobody got time for that. So what they're going to do when you use auto open inline preview is it'll actually open up the file so it's visible on the Canvas page. Nothing has to be downloaded, so it's a pretty cool tool.
Final item in round one is to check the accessibility of one of your assignments or quizzes or pages in Canvas.
What does that mean?
It just means let's make sure that it's accessible to every type of learner, and it's a really easy tool to use. It is a repeat from last year, but we thought it was still important, so we put it back in there again for round one.
So those are your pairings for the first round matchup. You have 1 week. They're due Sunday. Obviously, it's open. You can work on this thing until the contest is completely over. But good luck. If you need help, reach out, and we'll see you in round 2.
Have a great first round.
All right. See you next time.